When I treat my kitten like a child, what kind of experience is it? I set up a small, special room just for him. He even has his own little bed. I packed a sea view room and an underwater world for him, so even at home he can enjoy playing freely. There is also a small supermarket that belongs only to him. He can eat whatever he wants. I bought him many, many super cute little things and toys. When there are too many things and there is no space left, I arrange a dressing room just for him. Every day I push his little stroller and take him outside to play. I also bought him all kinds of different toys. Oh, and he even has his own gold necklace. I also made a special portrait for him and a small photo album filled with pictures of him from childhood until now. I even have a row of phones just for taking his photos. From my wallpaper to my photo album, everything is full of his pictures. Some people say, is it really necessary to treat a cat this well? Of course it is. To me, he didn't come here to suffer. Being my little cat means he deserves happiness. He can only stay with me for more than 10 years, so letting his life be happier, what is there not worth it?